ladies and gents, welcome to Xrissart. I'm Chrissy, thanks for joining me. I think I would just jump into this and say this demonstration is more of a pride and saving face thing, as I just had to redeem myself with this lovely flower because my first attempt was on Pastel Fix by Hannah Mueller, which I failed dismally, and I live streamed it to boot, but I will put a link in the top right hand corner if you wanted to check that out. Pastel Fix is a good paper, but just not for the techniques I use. And for comparison, I will reference my pink tulip, which was painted on Colour Fix paper from time to time, so you will see it pop up. And I just wanted you to see what I was going through sort of like at the same time, perhaps. And here I used masking film, which is terrific, and I'll put a link to that as well at the top right hand corner on the screen. And look at that, lovely crisp edges, and my drawing hasn't been destroyed in any way, so that's why I like it so much. Well, in this little project, I used 90% PanPastel and 10% pastel pencils for the details on Pastelmat. And what a difference that made. Much, much better experience. Some of the similar things that happened during the course of these paintings was the pans did get powdery on all of the papers, including Pastelmat, but Pastelmat behaved the best because I was able to get the pigment to absorb into the tooth of the paper, hence letting me layer and layer. You will see here in the pink tulip sometimes I just couldn't get the layers that I wanted, not like I do here on Pastelmat. And again, I'm trying to get some close-up footage so you can see clearly on how the pans were applied. And of course I used makeup brushes and synthetic paint brushes. This one in particular is from Daler Rowney. It's an 1/8 of an inch. Now I know I've said this before, and I'll probably say it again. And I'm sure you'll be telling me to stop saying it, but you should always take the time to experiment and try new techniques and see what works. What works best for you. What works best for me may not work for you, but worth a try anyway. And another lot of terrific papers to try this particular technique would be Xrissart or Fisher 400. That would be ideal for this technique as well. So if you've got a few little pieces, perhaps maybe practice on some of those. If this is the first time you visited and you would like to see more of my videos, please consider subscribing and perhaps give it a thumbs up. If you're enjoying this video, I occasionally share ideas and painting techniques, and I live stream from time to time. And don't forget to click the bell icon, that way you don't miss out on any of the videos as I upload them. And of course, as you can see here, I didn't have any issue with pastel pencils going on top of the pastels. So much art, so little time.